Okay.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel guys, where you can learn about safety awareness guys. So we welcome you to our channel so that you can learn more about safety. So guys, I want to teach you more about safety when you're using a vehicle like this. First thing, you have to put your fire extinguisher. Yeah, guys. Place your fire extinguisher there. It will help you in case of fire. So guys, please subscribe guys. When you want to use it, you must observe safety guys. So guys, please subscribe guys. So you must observe safety by looking if they have some mechanical problems, if the tires is okay, you look all part of a vehicle so that you can know whether it is on a good condition. Safety require observation guys, so you must observe it before you do any work like this one. You should observe all measures. You should observe like brakes if it is on it is okay. So check all safety first and you will be safe. So we want to service fire detectors or detection system. So we shall use this forklift to lift us up to the higher so that we can reach where the smoke detectors are being installed. So begin, observe safety of yourself and learn to follow guys. So observe guys. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe, promote us by subscribing and learn more of safety awareness. So we just observing safety before we lift the engineer technician to service the heat detectors at the top of the building of the roof. So we should observe safety by using harness properly before we start our work. So please watch and subscribe. If you have any question, you can comment or you can ask so that we can give you your answer. So please continue watching.
Hey.
So as you can see, we are lifting our engineer up to enable him to reach where the smoke detectors are by use cock lift. So be aware of your safety vest before you do any work. Whoa. Our engineer, the technician are servicing the smoke detector we install at the roof of the building, as you can see. So these heat detectors are we installed here on our godown so that it can detect any fire. In case there is a fire, they will detect the fire and then send the signal to fire alarm, and then the fire panel will activate the sounders and will alert everyone. So as we servicing the heat detectors, just follow and watch it, guys. Enjoy watching our channel so that you can learn more about safety. All our videos are talking about safety. We value safety of ourselves, our community. So safety first in every work you are doing. Just learn to work under the safety measures to enable us to be safe. We are working under the height. That's why we are observing much about safety. Epson Fire Safety Solution is where you can learn all about safety measures, how to install fire detection system, how to work under safety, and how to install hydrant systems. So Epson Fire Safety Solution value you all as you watch our videos, liking and subscribing, guys. As you can see, the engineer is is doing the servicing of smoke detector. We normally service the smoke detectors plus the heat detectors after every 6 months. So guys, if you need someone to service your detection system. You can call us, we are available, guys.
Hizo zingine ni kama haita nini, haitafikia kama zile hata huko ako sawa. Hii ya katikati
what we are doing, we are all about safety, making our building are under safety requirements by observing the safety regulation. We normally keep tips on how you can work under safety procedures. So, guys, just follow our videos. As you can see, our technician has put on the safety measures by putting on the harness plus the helmet for their own safety. So all what we are doing is just safety awareness and giving a lesson to community that we should observe safety in our home areas, working place. We should observe safety before doing any work. Safety enables us to work in a good environment. So just learn to observe safety in working place.
Tienda bila nini.
Ipson solution value your safety in your home areas where you work, where you are doing work. So our journal deal with safety awareness. Normally give you tips of safety, give you awareness of safety. So when you follow our videos, you learn more about safety. When you are working in a working place, first you should observe your safety and safety of others. So when you follow our video, I think you will learn more about fire system, how to service it and how to install it.
Hapo
and
Ama
out
yende
the
kidogo.
services as we always give you daily updates on how to install fire panels, how to deal with fire equipments, and as well as the first aiders, what you should do when you are dealing with the conscious and unconscious person. So when you follow our videos, that I think you will learn more of safety. Continue watching our videos. If you are new to our channel, please make sure you subscribe, guys, so that you get daily updates of about safety.
Hizo zingine haitaingia. Hapo hapo.
Thank you for watching, guys. We appreciate for watching. So if you have not subscribed, please subscribe so that you can learn more of safety awareness and get tips on how to about safety. So Epson Fire Safety Solution value you all as you watch our videos by subscribing. We thank you all. See you on the next videos as you continue watching our videos. Remember to observe safety in what you are doing. Guys, thank you.